How to leave an alliance in Doomsday Last Survivors. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you want to leave your current alliance in Doomsday Last Survivors, then it is very easy and just takes a few taps. First of all, open up Doomsday Last Survivors game on your device, and then once you're inside this game section, go to the Alliance tab at the bottom right corner, and you'll be able to see the info of the alliance that you joined into. From the menu, go to the bottom left and tap on Settings, and you'll see a Leave button on the next page. Tap on Leave and click OK. Now you have successfully left an alliance in Doomsday Last Survivors. You can now go ahead and switch to a better one whenever you want. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.